Say hi.
Hey.
Riley's getting a mask right now. And we're gonna scare this person. Where'd Riley go?
You do it. No balls.
But I think I will smudge the heart on my face.
No, you won't.
Go for it. I don't have any eyeliner.
Well, I'll fix it with my heart.
We'll fix it.
What if the guy has a heart attack?
It's a girl. It's okay. Girls don't have heart attacks.
You do it.
No.
It was your idea.
Yeah, but I'm pussy. Just knock on the window.
Someone just do it. Or be friendly about it. It's like knock on the window with that on and wave.
I can't get mine. Mine's bigger than yours.
But my
You can do it.
heart will smudge.
It's not going to smudge. What the heck?
What happened?
They pointed at something and asked a question and I couldn't tell what they were saying.
Lame.
Okay, say bye now.
Bye.